Who ensures that income tax assessing officers ensure a fair and as per the provisions of the Income Tax Act? The answer is Joint Director of Income Tax and Joint Commissioner of Income Tax. So in this video, we are examining the role played by three officials: Joint Director of Income Tax, Joint Commissioner of Income Tax, Joint Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals. So their appointment is as per section 116 of the Income Tax Act 1961. Theirs is a middle position, that is, they are appointed between additional commissioners and deputy or assistant commissioners. Their roles are totally different. So let us start with Joint Director of Income Tax. Joint Director of Income Tax, they are appointed in specialized wings: investigation, systems, international taxation, all this. So whatever the role they are playing will be based on wherever the department they are entitled to or they are attached to. So this three things you have to remember regarding joint director. They can give a passing or they can give a binding order to the assessing officers. They can take these orders based on their own initiative, their own observations. Sometimes it will be the observation made by an assessing officer and requested to the joint director. Sometimes it will be the taxpayer's observation and is raised to the joint director of income tax. And they will take special interest in investigation to avoid tax evasion. So the second role or the second officer we are going to explain is Joint Commissioner of Income Tax. Sometimes they will be appointed as assessing officers to complete the assessments, but their power or their permission is required for the assessing officer for certain matters like re-examining the assessments as per section 51 or reopening the assessment done by the assessing officer as per the request of the taxpayer or the income tax department as per section 151 of the Income Tax Act, or any other matters like best judgment assessment or something like that. They need the permission of the Joint Commissioner of Income Tax. So this is their role, and their role is supervising the work of assessing officers. Whether they are doing the assessment work properly as per the provisions of the Income Tax Act, and the taxpayers are getting a fair assessment. The third role or the third level of officers we want to explain is Joint Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals. When a taxpayer is having and is not happy with that, or he want to appeal to an authority, so they will appeal to the Joint Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals, and they will examine both the documents. They will hear both the parties, and they will finally give a fair and reasoned judgment based on that. So we have to remember all these three officials are playing quasi-judicial role. Whenever they are exercising their powers, they will see that they are giving fair work for the work they are doing. They are giving fair orders. They are examining or they are hearing the version of both the parties. They are ensuring that justice is implemented. They see that the income tax provisions are implemented. So if you look at the role of three officials, you can see that they are playing a vital role in supervising the work of assessing officers. Whether it is investigation, whether it is specialized departments, whether it is assisting assessing officers, whether it is re-examining the assessments. So this is the role of the three important officials in supervising the work done by assessing officers and in overall smooth functioning of the income tax administration. That are Joint Director of Income Tax, Joint Commissioner of Income Tax, Joint Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals.